How to turn on notification on AliExpress website. Are you guys facing issues to turn on notification on AliExpress? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for AliExpress website. After you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Now, tap on Settings. After you click on Settings, you will get forwarded to this section. Just scroll down, you can see this option for Activate Email Notification. Click on Activate. Once you click on Activate, you can see multiple options. Just turn on all these options. Once you turn on these options, you will be able to get notification from AliExpress. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna turn on notification on AliExpress website. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.